So kanina nagtatanong about dun sa 95 to 97 ba? 92 na Bitcoin price. So if you're going to notice, we're just hovering between 90 to 97 eh. So ibig sabihin, habang nandito tayo sa loob nitong price nito, titrade lang tayo dyan sa loob nito, hindi mo masabi kung who's in control, if bulls or bears. Okay, pero once na bumasag tayo sa 100k, bulls will be in control. We will probably try to revisit again the highs. But kung bumasag tayo dito sa baba, ito yung maganda. Pag bumasag tayo dito sa baba, may nakikita po akong trendline support which is at this level. Ito po yan. Kita nyo to. Yan. Okay, so may trendline support. Meaning to say, kung bumasag tayo dyan, pwede pala tayong saluhin ng 87,000, 85 to 87,000. And this could possibly be a bear trap. Kaya mag-iingat din. Remember, meron tayong head and shoulders pattern. Meron tayong nakitang head and shoulders. Ito yung neckline. This is our neckline. Pag bumasag po yan at sinalo ng trend line, this could possibly be a bear trap. And watch out kasi baka bumalik sa loob at bumasag dun sa. So usually, ang diskarte po dito is you have to wait for confirmation. Basagin niya rin tong trend line. Kailangan niya rin basagin to. Kasi kung tatalbog siya at hindi niya babasagin, baka pumasok sa loob, sa kabila mag-breakout, pataas. Ngayon, kung basagin niya tong trend line, most likely, we're going to revisit the 75, 77k level, which is the target of our head and shoulders pattern. So, hanggang ngayon po, ang ginagawa lang po nito is nagdi-dribble lang siya. Okay? Again, you have to remember that every candle is a piece of a puzzle. So, makikita mo yan. Saan ba siya babasag? Makakahanap ka ng clue. Base po dito, titignan po natin ito. So, hindi natin makita ngayon kung kailan siya ano yung possible date na magbe-breakout ka. Medyo alanganin pag dinuhitan ko ng ganitong trend line. Just have to wait. While waiting, again, you have to decide ano diskarte mo while waiting. Follow for more Tito Moves.